Hello, programmers. Welcome back to MisterMind Dev. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, decorators in Python. Decorators are a powerful feature that allow us to modify the behavior of functions in a clean and efficient way. Let's jump right in. First things first, what are decorators? In Python, decorators are functions that modify the behavior of other functions or methods. They provide a neat way to wrap or extend the functionality of functions without modifying their code directly. In this example, my underscore decorator is defined to take a function, func, as an argument. It returns a new function, wrapper, that adds behavior before and after calling the original function. When, say, underscore hello is decorated with @my underscore decorator, calling, say, underscore hello, will execute the modified behavior. Now let's explore some common use cases for decorators. In this example, log underscore decorator is a more practical use case. It takes a function, prints information about the function call, invokes the original function, prints the result, and returns it. The decorator enhances the add function with logging capabilities, making it easy to monitor function calls. Decorators can also be chained, allowing you to apply multiple decorators to a single function. In this example, both my underscore decorator and log underscore decorator are applied to the multiply function. When multiply, 4, 7, is called, the decorators are applied in the order they are listed. First, my underscore decorator modifies the behavior, followed by log underscore decorator. This showcases the flexibility of decorators and their ability to enhance functions in a modular way. In conclusion, decorators are a powerful tool in Python, offering a clean and modular way to enhance the functionality of functions. Whether it's logging, timing, or other modifications, decorators provide a concise and elegant solution. That wraps up our brief exploration of decorators. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!